Hey guys, good evening, welcome back to the channel. So we are here tonight at Dockside Resort at Universal Orlando, and I'm gonna show you all this family size suite and see if it's worth it for you. So come along and join us. All right, so we're gonna start here with the kitchen. This is really nice. You got your nice little table right here, you got chairs, you got you a nice little bench right in here. Perfect for a family of four. You're coming here to eat in the mornings. You wanna bring some groceries. You don't really feel like eating out all the time for breakfast in the mornings and grab and go. Got your microwave here. You can store all your kind of refrigerator stuff here. You got milk, sodas, whatever you want to store. So perfect for if you're gonna be here for a whole week. Got your nice little shelf and stuff here if you want to store. Like, you know, I'll probably store my hat here. Got your sink, you can wash all your cups. Coffee maker, more room. We're gonna start over here though, again, and here you got two full-size beds. I think they're queens, but they look like full-size to me. They are pretty comfortable. I've stayed here before, been a while. Over here you got your charging outlets. Looks like here you got USB-C. That's pretty cool if you got that. Like I said, pretty comfortable for the bed. And of course you got you a TV here, you got you a lamp, got you a thermostat right there. If you're gonna hook some stuff right here, like some clothes right here. Over here you got some more outlets. That's pretty cool. And oh, there's a light. And you got some drawers here. And next, we're gonna show you what's going on over here. You got another bedroom here. So perfect for, for like a family. You keep the kids out in the room. Mom and dad wanna come in here and tone out. You got another hooks down here. Each area has, I do believe, a charge. Yep, they do. They each got charging stations right here. It's not USB-C, but you can still charge it. Or you can go down here, you can plug in. Like I said, the beds are pretty comfortable. I've done it before. And you got another area here to charge. Come over here, you got your iron board. You got a closet you can hang stuff in. And over here, you're gonna have your sink and a double sink, which is pretty good. Everybody's trying to get ready in the morning, so that's perfect. And you got your bathroom. And of course, you got this shampoo and conditioner. I've done it before. Like I said, it's pretty good. And of course, I like to do the flush test. Man, that was decent. But yeah, guys, here we're gonna do another little walk through the room. Let y'all take another glimpse of it. And of course, you got a pool view. Everybody's enjoying the weather. It was pretty nice outside today. Got you a view of Orlando. Here's the kitchen again. Man, more outlets. So they spared no expense with outlets in here. All right, guys, like this, that's gonna wrap up this room tour here. Price-wise, I would say it can range anywhere between maybe $100 to $250, depending on the time of year you go. But no matter what, like I said, between all these resorts, pretty nice to say. Even if you're going to stay at Disney World, this is a pretty nice place to stay at. I always come stay here, even if I'm not staying at Disney, just because even though I'm not getting early park admission, it's still pretty nice to just stay here and everybody's comfortable and you got your space. All right, guys, so here, checking out the beach area. You got your nice little pool out here. You got your little beach. You want to come out, hang out here. You got some chairs. And like I said, guys, this is a pretty big resort. Perfect for the summers and for families to come out here and resort. Like the crazy part is, like I said, it's a valley resort and it's not a whole bunch of money to come out here and stay compared to other resorts in Central Florida area. All right, so checking out here is the store here at Dockside. A pretty good sized store. You got your pretty standard merchandise here, and of course you got your new Butterbear merch as well. Like Kurt said, pretty good. Of course, you get some sunglasses if you happen to lose yours on a ride. And checking out here is the main lobby. And over here is your front lobby here. All right, so checking out over here is your main lobby, and of course you got two different towers. You got one tower here, and you got one tower here. They're both pretty much the same. Over here, you're gonna have your little bar and lounge area. Main lobby is gonna be to the right. So it's a pretty neat little area. It's a pretty good resort overall. All right, so checking out here is your main part here coming in Dockside. You're gonna have two different towers. You're gonna have a tower here, and you're gonna have a tower over here. When you walk in, over that side, we're gonna walk in just a second. You're gonna have your Sunset Lounge and the main lobby, and we'll make our way and show you all the cafeteria. Pretty neat little stuff over here. Overall, it's a big resort. And definitely, like I said, again, come out with families. Pretty good place to stay. Honestly, it's probably my top 3 resort stay here at Universal Studios. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video at Dockside Inn Suites at Universal Orlando Resort as much as I enjoyed making this video. So if you want to see more stuff like this, make sure you subscribe and like to the channel for more future content. But guys, I'll have to say, this resort is a 5 stars rating, 5 out of 5. I sure enjoyed making it. So see you guys in the next one. The vlog is out.